Canva, an online design platform, recently launched its own AI writer. Under the free account, you can use the AI writer up to 25 times. After that, you'll need to upgrade to the Pro version. If you're thinking about giving it a try, here's what you need to know. After logging into Canva, you'll need to make sure that the docs icon is visible. If it's not, try logging out and then logging back in. Once you've logged back in, you'll see the docs icon in the top left corner. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the AI writer. Here, you'll find pre-made templates that you can use as a starting point for your project. You can also choose to start from scratch and create your own document. Try out Canva's AI writer today and see what a difference it can make in your writing.